Yeah, hello. This is Georg from Prolitz. Nice to see you again today. I'm still in Zadar, and here you see I'm here in a nice flat in the old town of Zadar, and yeah, let's talk about what's going on in the markets. Yesterday we saw a first thing I have never seen before. The U.S. financial a ministry or the U.S. Ministry of Finance has sold U.S. Treasury 10 years and longer. So they moved in and pressed down the number here. We do not see really an impact right now. This is a monthly chart, so we see a fair value gap maybe closed here in between June. Then we have the July move up, and now we see here in August a close of the fair value gap. We moved today also up 1%, but this can have an impact. So we have to observe this. It will not happen today and tomorrow, but when we see here at around 4.7 that let's say external, let's say third parties like Ministry of Finance or somebody else is make an intervention, um, can this have a massive impact? So this is the reason why we have to observe this, because we see also what happens. Bitcoin moved up 6% yesterday, 3% today. So looks in monthly not so dramatic. In daily chart, you see really a heavily up move from 60,064 to 72,000. So let's see. You know, I'm not a friend of it, but this happens. Also, gold moved yesterday up. Uh, for now, there's no big volume, but we will see. Yes, this is actually the case. So we have to observe this in the upcoming days. Yes, but the other topic is strike price. This is always important to find the right strike price. And you know, I'm a fan. We have a green bar, and the bar ends. So we put our strike price below the low of the monthly bar. So we make an entry here, and when the price really closes below the low of the month, then we are in um, this ETF. Mostly will not happen, because when we have a green bar means everybody is moving up um, to the upside. And if there's another possibilities, also a 3-month chart to watch to see. Oh, look, we have a nice green 3 months bar, so it also could be also a nice strike price, the low of a green 3 months bar. And what is really interesting in gold, we have here this really strong consolidation in the first quarter of 2026. Then we have the second one with a nice red candle, and now we're moving against this red candle. Okay, so we have 1 month to go for this bar, but really interesting. We will see how this ends in gold, because for now it looks really interesting. So these are the two things I talked about. Monthly lowest low of the month. 3 months is always to observe, and also the super trend. Super trend is also an interesting part to watch, because you see here since 2020 in the 3 month short, we can use strike price of super trend really nice to stay out of the game and earn premium, nice premium. Um, at least here in gold, when we take this as an example. Always important is also yeah, support and resistance as usual. Not easy to find here. Maybe we are building here one in gold around about 6,000, 6,060. Could be an interesting point, one more to be an resistance or at least a support, in this case support. Yes, so that's the case. What else do we see? As we see today, Walmart with a strong down move of 9%. It was really running to the upside heavily. So the last 4 years, so no big consolidation, and now it looks like we are going into a consolidation phase. Yeah, that's really interesting to see. And we see also that the super trend on monthly is here around about 97, 98 in the monthly, and in the 3 months it is, yeah, it is 82 still, so it's a lot to go. And we see we had this last strong green quarter, first quarter, and the second was really, yeah, let's say a move against, but for everybody which used strike price 109 was perfect. The 3 months end was there, and now we have really a drop, and it's not so easy to really to see where it could it stop. Um, Maybe 82, maybe earlier, but it looks like we have maybe at 98 a good support, but we will see. But I'm a fan to move in the movement in a long up move, and then selling options in an up move. I know it's really fantastic if you really say, hey, come, let's go and let's take the 98. Stock market is falling. You have really nice premiums, but what happens when this drops again over the next 3-4 days to 98 and drops more? How will you control your position? Um, yeah, complicated. And yeah, it's not an easy way. Easier is, you see here you have a green bar, and in this green bar in this month you can really sell your options and you will make money, and you will do it here, and we have a lot of other possibilities. So this is actually the case. For now the rest is fine, nothing super special. Yeah, so still 10 days to go until we have a change in the monthly bars, and it will be interesting to see if there will be an opportunity uh, popping up. Yes, and I will keep you informed. For now, it's Thursday. Tomorrow I make a day off. Will a little bit enjoy by bike Zadar uh, the whole day. So see you latest next week. Bye bye.